Welcome and let's talk about Tectonic token. Now, Tectonic token is message to holders. Remember, Tectonic token is a new coin that just celebrated the 1-year anniversary that was in December 2022. Now, Tectonic token actually passing message to its holders, thanking them of their support in 2022. Now they promise that this 2023, they promise that the Tectonic token is going to do everything possible to make sure that Tectonic token will gain a lot of the top crypto exchanges listing Tectonic token, and also they will be talking about burning. They are going to also focus on burning of Tectonic token. Now these two things is very important, and I believe if the holders can promise this and if they can really work towards this, getting Tectonic token, partnering with a lot of top crypto exchanges. I want to see Tectonic token getting listed by Binance, getting listed by Kucoin, by Get.io, by L-Bank, by Hotbit. If they can really get the support of all these crypto exchanges, then of course we are going to see Tectonic token increasing in price. We are going to see Tectonic token hitting massive increase in price this year 2023. But I think they have actually promised and they're happy that they ended the year on a positive side. And of course, to me, I would say, yeah, it's a new coin. They did their best in 2022, but let's hope 2023 is going to be more positive. Let's hope 2023 rather is going to be more positive. 2023 is going to bring more Tectonic token price hitting a constant increase in price, because you see Tectonic token increasing today, the next day you see it dropping down. So I want to see that constant increase in price. Okay, we want to see Tectonic token market cap also increasing, not increasing today, tomorrow it will be dropping. So we hope to see Tectonic token will work towards getting top exchanges listing this coin, because that is where you will see people coming in to buy Tectonic token, people investing on Tectonic token, and the market cap will keep increasing, the price will keep increasing. Let's hope to see that Tectonic token will definitely hit a massive increase in price in 2023. Let's hope to see the developers work more towards getting this coin listed by top exchanges and also helping this coin burning to reduce the supply and the circulating supply. I think Tectonic token is a good coin, and I believe this coin can hit an increase in price of over 2,000 to 5,000% in 2023 if they can really focus on really working hard, especially in the area of getting listed by top exchanges and also trying to burn Tectonic token. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.